All right, we're on the last page of your 4-3 notes. Super simple questions here. Write the first 4 terms of the sequence. Well, the first term is 1, and the number that you keep multiplying the previous term by is 3. That's your R. So 1 times 3 is 3, 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27. They only wanted 4. Make sure you put your ... 16, pretty much just as easy. You may want a calculator here though. We're going to start with the first term of 32, and then we're going to keep multiplying by 1.5. So times 1 would be 32 plus half more. 32 and 16 make 48, and I'll let you do those calculations probably on a calculator. 48 times 1.5 is 72. 72 times 1.5 is 108. That's all. And the last 4. Write the recursive formula. So the first term if you notice here, they kind of wrote it differently. I suppose if you want to state what the first term is first, you go for it. As long as you have all 3 pieces here, we're going to be good. F of n equals, we keep multiplying by 2. So 2 times the previous term, n minus 1. When the first term is 2, and then you can just put off to the side, comma, n is greater than 1. 18, same idea. F of n equals, to get from 250 to 50 to 10 to 2, if you notice over here, we keep dividing by 5. We need to change that to multiplying by 1/5 though. So we do 1/5 times the previous term when we start with the first term of 250, and we can't go backwards, and has to be greater than 1. Number 19. To get from one to the next, probably here to here is your easiest bet. We're multiplying by -3. So -3 times the previous term when we start with the first term of 1/9, and n has to be greater than 1. There are no negative term numbers. There's no 0th term. And number 20. We keep multiplying by 4. So we do 4 times the previous term when we start with the first term of 3. And you have to go forward past the first term, not backwards. So there's only term numbers greater than 1. Hopefully that concludes everything. If you have any questions, ask your neighbors, ask the teacher that's probably coming in at some point to check on you, and get your homework done. Have a lovely day.